Hello everyone, welcome to Sri N.P. Bhalodia High School. Today we will discuss about how to write statistic paper and its presentation. As we all know about the paper pattern, we are going to follow 30-70. It means 30% objectives and 70% descriptive questions. As we all know about the time management, it is very essential for completion of paper on time. So generally the time allotment for the section is, as for example, section A. How to write section A? Question number 1, whatever the alphabet is there, A, B, C, D, you have to select correct option with description. Max to max we are giving 10 minutes to section A. Within 10 minutes you have to complete your section A. Now section B, which is of one sentence word, max to max 20 to 22 minutes. 20 to 22 minutes we are going to allot for section B. How to write section B? As for example, question number 21. In the question number 21, geometric mean is the main answer, so underline that word, so we will get full marks. After the answer 21, you have to draw a line as it is a part of presentation. Section C, which carries 2 marks. As we all know about the section C, which carries 2 marks each, and max to max 22 to 25 minutes. We are going to allot them 25 minutes for completion of a sum. Else they are going to ask theory. So within 2 to 3 minutes you have to complete a single question, and max to max total section C should be completed within 25 minutes. As we all know about the answer, how to write answer, whatever your main answer, you have to cover the answer properly. After the answer, you have to write the statement, and you have to bifurcate them. As for example, bifurcate means what? You have to, when your answer is being completed, at that time draw a line. As for example, in the section C, they are going to ask theoretical part, then you have to write point wise. Question 34 is of point wise answer. So section C. Now section D, which carries 3 marks each. New section at new pages. You have to make a table whenever it is required. Proper presentation should be there, and max to max 50 minutes should be allotting to section D. A single question from section D is of 5 to 6 minutes. You have to complete your question, else sum within 5 to 6 minutes. So max to max we are going to allot 50 minutes. How to present the sum, how to write the formula. On the formula you have to write the name, as for example last pair's index number, passes index number, regression line, y on x. You have to cover the answer with the box. After the answer, you have to write the statement. Now section E. It is from the part 2 only. Section E, whole section they are asking. It means board asking from part 2 statistic. You have to draw proper curve with the help of pencil. Whatever the presentations are there, supposed to you are going to maintain table, should be with the pencil only. So maximum use pencil. Do not use black pen, blue pen and pencil. We are going to write the paper with the blue pen and underline, covering the answer, diagram, Venn diagram, whatever they are going to ask, with the help of pencil only. Section E for part 2 only. Max to max we are going to allot 25 minutes. Each and every question should be completed within 6 minutes. So now we are going to discuss about section F. As we know very well about this section F, most easiest from part 1. Max to max we are going to allot 6 to 7 minutes to per question, and within 25 minutes we have to complete the section F. Section F is from part 1 only. After the answer you have to write a statement, whatever the formula, right? You have to write as they are going to ask. So how to write paper presentation? On the table you have to give them proper heading, and this is the method to complete your paper within 2 hours 35 minutes. After that, you can underline the questions, bifurcation of the answers, new section or new page should be there. You have to tie your paper with thread. So these are the common things, as you all know very well about the paper presentation. So wish you all a very best of luck for your upcoming board exam. Thank you very much.